just tell the listeners about where it can and can't be used, just to give us a sweet spot.
I broke the strategic planning, considering that as a field, with 3 areas of analysis, design, and execution. And so I think with analysis, I think it's really, really useful. I gave the example before of what might be some of the issues in our industry. Who are our key stakeholders? I've done that as well as a starting point for a group to then say, actually, that's not a bad list. Then the design part, which is where do we go from here? Then I think that's an area where it will have limitations, because when it comes to the crunch, executives have to make a decision. AI is not going to do that. GenAI, unless you want to go completely robotic, and we're a long way from that, we can get the analysis, we can get the background, we can brainstorm the internet, which is what chat and others can do for you. And that's, you think about it, that's pretty powerful stuff. You've got a massive assistant over here helping you to get some material together. Now, you've got to check it, by the way, because it can make awful mistakes. So the analysis part, I think, is going to be fantastic. And I recommend that. If people aren't using Gen AI for analysis, they're missing the boat. Then we come to, okay, what are the options? How are we going to have a competitive advantage? Where do we stand as an organization on customer service, product range, price, product quality, and so on? Are we going to be a Toyota, or are we going to be a Rolls Royce?
Yeah.
That's that positioning material. That's the executive. That's not being taken away from any management group. So that isn't changing. But I think the strength of that decision making will be improved by having better options.
Yes. And I guess you can also use it carefully by putting in an option and not only debating amongst yourselves, but also using the tool or tools to challenge it.